Howdy, y'all. I want you to join me in making one of my favorite cold brew iced coffee drinks there is. Now, this is a pretty simple recipe. Now, I've already made the video to show y'all how to make honey lavender simple syrup, and that is one of the main flavorings in this drink. Well, it is the main flavoring. And then a cold brew here. Now, I'm gonna make a separate video that should be up pretty soon, and it's gonna show y'all how to make cold brew coffee if you've never done that, so stay tuned for that one. So all you're gonna need is some cold brew, honey lavender, a little bit of milk, 2%, whatever you wanna use, fine, almond milk, whatever floats your boat, and of course a mug and some ice. So let's get to it. All right, now, so with this particular cold brew I've made, it's cold brew concentrate. Now, what you wanna do is you wanna mix equal parts cold brew with equal parts water. Now, I'm gonna pour it about halfway in the cup. That sounds about good. Now we're gonna go over here to our filtered water station, aka the fridge. Man, we're gonna fill it back up pretty much halfway. That might have been a little too much. Start with a little tiny mug, but you know what? It'll do. It'll do. We're gonna take our simple syrup we've created, honey lavender, delicious. Pop her open, and just give her a little spritz here. Just a little spritz here. That's a little spritz. Good stuff. Good stuff. Potent and delicious. And to top her all off, another spritz of a little bit of milk or whatever liquid you would choose. Almond, coconut milk, whatever you want to use, soy milk. And there's our concoction here. Now, like I said, this mug's a little bit small for a cup of coffee. It's unfortunate, but just add your ice and you're all ready to go. And stir her up, baby. Drink away. Enjoy the day. You thought the video was over, but nope. I'm not a psychopath, so I'm gonna show y'all what it's like with ice in it. Now, look at that. It's a beautiful color. Beautiful color here. And she's pretty much filled all the way to the top with ice. I'll give her a sip and report back what we taste. God damn, that is good. That is good. Boy, if I haven't made the best iced coffee right here for y'all, y'all gonna love this one. All right, now, tuning out. Peace.